this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop, where I am going to be using the Paint a Rainbow from the June release section. So I am going to actually use this paint as my title to one of my school photos that was 2 years ago, and it was the first full year that all the kids were back from you know what, and my classroom went only maybe 6 days, and then we went out with you know what. My whole class had to shut down. So then it ended up being where I went and did this. So my title is going to be, well, that just happened. And I figured with the rainbow and kind of bringing that in, that I was like, you know what? It's going to fit. So this paper is from Vicki Boutin's Fernwood collection. And then the rest that I am using, I want to use up. And I will be able to kill the kit, which is the Vicki Boutin, the paint, what is it? Build a paint, paint shop. Or print shop. So I will be able to use it up because this is all the paper I got left. That's it. So let's see what I can do. Back the cut file with 2 of the papers and a little bit of the yellow paper that you see off to the side. Like this one here, like I said, came from the Fernwood, just so that it kind of looked like a teacher mode, because that's exactly what this is. So obviously I'm going to get out my, I'm going to back up and get my photo kind of, what's the best word I want to say? I'm trying to make sure that when I go and I put down my distressed oxides, which you'll see me come in with in just a little bit, that you can see it, and that really in every which way, I do not have a lot of papers left to like do this layout with. So I had to try to figure out how I wanted to do the best way. So as you can tell there, I had to get out a couple of different colors just to kind of match it up. And the one that I'm working with, and I should have known better because this is Fernwood. I should have known to grab this one right off the bat, but my brain just wasn't functioning, I guess. And it's the pine needles. The pine needles and the green and this collection along with the Fernwood collection, it matches up. So that is what I'm doing right here. I'm just getting the green to pop out. And then you will see me come in with my black paint to add to that. This one now, since I got rid of that nasty one that I told you, I do not recommend. And I promise you, when it comes to paint sticks, I will tell you which one I think is the best and which one isn't, because I use them quite a bit for my background just to add that second dimension on to whatever I'm working with. I will tell you, the ones from, if you're wanting a cheaper one, it doesn't work out of Hobby Lobby. They're junk. So the one that I had to pull out now is the Liquid Text, which is the, I want to say the more expensive of the two. And they're all linked down below in the description. So I'm going to keep playing around with this. You will see me move this around, and then I turn off the camera, and my title will be, well, that just happened. And like I explained in the beginning, I don't want to say any of the words or anything because then it'll flag it with that stuff. But my class ended up going on a 14 hiatus, and I ended up staying at work because I got the shots and stuff. However, within that time frame, then my daughter ended up getting it, and then I ended up being out longer while my kids came back. So it was a crazy first start of the year when it came to 21-22. It, you know, at the end of the day, it is what it is. So I just wanted to document that, well, this just happened because literally my class that particular year, we were only in school for 5 days, and then we were out. And then they were out for their time frame. They, for the most part, all of them came back, and then I went out. And so I really spent the whole month of August pretty much behind a computer. Because it is what it is. And then the school went out. So August was like a wash. And there we have it. So that's why I documented this. And then I did do 21-22 because I knew that was a school year. Because that would start in on my teacher scrapbooks that I do. You know, my layouts for teaching and stuff. So that helped me out there. So I figured, 1, 2, 3, 21, 22, kind of that teacher theme. I put the butterflies in there because I thought that they were cute. I put the snail because I swear it was like the snail man of a lifetime, because I swear we just couldn't get the school year started for any of us. That particular start of that school year, it just was, crazy times. But I'm glad I'm able to document it and all of that. So I figured this day would work for a title. Everything just matched up. Make sure you go check out Confessions. That is linked down below. All of this will be down there along with all of the information, including the paint stick information. Go check out my group as well. My staycation virtual crop is free, and it's starting on Thursday. We're going to do it 4 days, and I would love to have you part of that, so check that out. My group is linked down below. Also, make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. If you are new, I would love to have you part of my YouTube family. I do design team layouts, and all that other fun stuff within my family. I do comment back because I love to see everybody, so leave a comment, all of that jazz. So I am just now putting everything down. I'm trying to make sure that I place everything where I wanted it to be and just kind of, go from there. Now, I know that this is, paint a rainbow, and I felt like with this particular layout and the meaning behind it, I thought, you know what, I'm going to mix it with a bunch of rainbows, with a bunch of colors, because that's how we all felt. We were, it was just crazy. So, so I'm just kind of documenting everything along the way. I do back up all of the stuff with the foam and all of that, and I will tell you that after this being all said and done, I had nothing left. I couldn't even do the alphabet. The alphabet had not even normal words for me to even try. Like, I used it up so much that it is what it is. I killed this kit. Nothing got put back into my stash, and I am super excited to say, yep, it is done. Oh, I love that feeling. So now I'm just placing in all those little dots, and then that is it. And that is the pop of colors. It's just black. I just love using it. I feel like doing the 3 little dots just adds, a little bit more dimension. The still shots are coming up. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and also check out Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop. Everything is all linked down below. You guys all stay safe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.